Do you know you can connect Google Sheet with ChatGPT? Let me show you how it is going to work in real time. So here I'm going to add the content theme and the post description over my Google Sheet, and we will see how ChatGPT responds toward this data. So here I have provided this content theme and the post description. Now let's move on towards my Facebook account to check whether any changes is made by my ChatGPT or not. So right here I'm on my Facebook account and I'm on this page named as the Magic Makers, which I'm going to just refresh. And right here you can see that I'm successfully receiving this post. And this is the content generated by my ChatGPT or the OpenAI, which I have connected through this Google Sheet. And by using this content and the post description, my ChatGPT is generating this post which I have just added over my Facebook account. So now let me show you how you can also connect your Google Sheet with ChatGPT and automate your work process. So for that, we are going to use an automation tool that is called as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that can integrate varieties of applications. So now let me show you how you can integrate Google Sheet with ChatGPT. So for that, let's move on towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect. So right here, I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab that is going to be pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen, you can see this discount coupon code that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards my workflow page where we are getting this option for adding the trigger. So triggers are first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive or add new data over my Google Sheet. So here I will be selecting my trigger application as Google Sheet. Now let's select the app event as new or updated spreadsheet row. Now as I have clicked over this connect button, I am getting this webhook URL with the steps for pasting this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge between Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect for building the connection. So now let's copy this webhook URL and now let's move on towards my Google Sheet. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet named as post, through which I'm going to receive my data. And here I have added this content theme and the post description for which I want to generate a new post or the content by using my ChatGPT or the OpenAI. So now for adding the webhook URL for building the connection, you just have to move towards the extensions, select add-ons and select get add-ons. And you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you have to search for the app that is going to be Pabbly Connect Webhook. So right here you can see that I'm getting this application which is already installed. So make sure to firstly install it. And afterwards again you have to go towards the extensions where you will see this option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks, where you have to select this initial setup and you will be getting the initial setup dialog box. And right here you can add the webhook URL and the trigger column. So here I'm going to add the webhook URL which I have just received from my Pabbly Connect, and now it is asking me to enter the trigger column. So trigger column is the last data column of the Google Sheet. So right here the last data column is B. So here I'm going to enter it as B. And the next I'm going to just click over the submit button, and here you can see that my setup has been configured successfully. Now we just have to send this test data to the Pabbly Connect. So for that we just have to click over this send test, and here you can see that my test data has been sent successfully. So now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect and check for this data. So right here you can see that 3 seconds ago we have received this response, that's the response A, and this response consists of all the fields which I've just filled over my Google Sheet, including the post description and the content theme. And now as soon as you will add the data over the Google Sheet, the data will be automatically sent to the Pabbly Connect. And for that, you have to perform one more operation, that is, you have to go towards extensions, select Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and here you have to enable this send on event so that data can be automatically fetched. And now I'm going to generate the post content regarding this theme and the description. And for that, I'm going to connect my Google Sheet with ChatGPT or the OpenAI. So here I'm connecting my ChatGPT to the Google Sheet for generating the post content, but you can do it for any other purpose too. So here I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI or the ChatGPT. So right here you can see that I'm getting this application. Now let's select the app event as ChatGPT. And now we just have to build the connection. So right here I'm on the connection page, but if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection. And for building a new connection, you just have to click over this add new connection. And now here we have to enter the token. So for getting the token, you have to visit this OpenAI API's key page given over the help text. And right here we are on this page where you just have to click over this create new secret key. And here you have to provide the name and the project name and click over this button and your API key will be created if you are using a paid account. So here I'm going to enter my API token. Now let's save it. And here you can see that the connection has been built in. And now here I'm going to select my AI model as GPT-4. And now it is asking me to enter the prompt. So prompt are the set of the rules or the instruction which we are going to provide to our OpenAI, according to which it is going to generate the response. So right here I want to generate the post content. So according to that, I'm going to provide prompt to my ChatGPT, but you can enter the prompt according to the work you are doing in this automation. So now let's enter the prompt. So this is the prompt which I'm providing to my OpenAI for generating the post content regarding the title and the description which I'm receiving through my Google Sheet. And now here after this word title, I'm going to enter the title of the post which I want to create. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this, but no, here I'm going to perform a method provided by Pabbly Connect, that is mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map the title and the description from the response which I'm receiving from Google Sheets, as this is my previous application, and the process is simple. You just have to select the field and the slash symbol, and right here we are getting a previous application. So from its response I'm going to map the title. So now let me search for it, and right here you can see that I'm getting this title or the theme which I have mapped. And likewise I'm going to map the description as well. So for that I'm going to use the response of my Google Sheet. So here you can see that I'm getting the post description which I have mapped, and these fields are dynamic, means these are going to replace with every new entry received over your Google Sheet. So now you don't have to manually replace the data again and again. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request. And I want to tell you one thing, that try not to provide the space between this prompt, because it might lead to the error. And right here you can see that this is the content generated by my OpenAI regarding the post. So you can also integrate your Google Sheet with OpenAI like this. And here I'm doing it for generating the post content, but you can do it for any other purpose too regarding your business. And now I'm going to add this content to my Facebook page. So here I'm going to search for the Facebook pages, and right here I'm getting this application. Now let's select the app event as create page post. Now let's build the connection, and right here I'm on the connection page where I'm going to build a new connection by simply selecting this button. And now let's select the Facebook account which I have already logged in. And again I'm going to click over this continue button, and this way I have built in the connection. And now here on my Facebook account I have created this page named as the magic makers. So I'm going to select it from this drop down, and now here I'm going to map the message or the content which I want to post. So this is the content which I'm going to post over my Facebook account. Now let's click over the save and send test request, and here you can see that we are receiving this positive response which demonstrate that a post might be created. So right here I'm on my Facebook page which I'm going to just refresh, and as I have refreshed it, I'm getting this post or the content which was just generated by my OpenAI, which you can see over here. And you can see this is the same post content. So now here I have successfully connected my Google Sheet with OpenAI for generating the post content. So you can also integrate both these applications and automate your business task. And you have seen that you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating this automation. You just have to use Pabbly Connect, and this can be built in within few minutes. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.